Hello YouTubers, my name is Jobs and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to create 3D isometric text using Adobe Illustrator. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for this video. Okay, so let's get started on this very easy tutorial on how to create 3D isometric text using Adobe Illustrator. The first thing that we'll have to do is to create a background for our artboard. I'm going to choose a color. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose this color, somewhat like cyan color, and then click on the rectangle tool and then drag it on our artboard. This will serve as our background. Next, we will now create a text for our 3D isometric. Just click the type tool icon and then click it on your artboard and then type the text that you want. Okay. Then we will adjust our text using the scale tool. We will adjust the size. Make sure to press the shift so that the ratio won't be changed while adjusting. Then select the selection tool and then move it to the center of your artboard. Okay, so if we are going to check our layers, we now have our text good vibes. Then we are going to interchange the fill color into stroke. To do that, you'll just have to press this arrow here. Okay, that's it. Then we are going to adjust the thickness of our stroke. So for me, I'm gonna change it into 8 point. Okay, next is we go to effect and then click 3D and materials and then go to 3D classic and then press rotate or click rotate, then select the isometric tab and then press OK. Next, go to object and then expand appearance. After clicking expand appearance, right click on the object and then click and group. Right click again and then release clipping mask. After releasing clipping mask, take note that a path will appear on your layers. Click on the path and then delete it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to select the object and then go to the effect menu, click on distort and transform, and then click again on transform. After that, transform effect dialog box will appear. Go to vertical and change this into 35 point. I'm gonna change this to 35 point. Make sure that preview is checked so that you can preview the changes that is being made. Change the copies into 3. Okay, so there you have it. Then click OK. On your layer, you will only see one group, no? So these 3 copies here are imaginary. No, you cannot click this one. You cannot edit. For you to edit these 3 copies that you've made, you will have to click again the object and then go to object menu and then expand appearance. Okay, so as you can see, the 3 copies that you've made have been highlighted, but still you cannot edit this one. To do so, you'll have to right click and then ungroup. Okay, so you can now click one by one the copies that you've made. Next thing is you will go to the layer panel. Okay, then we are going to change the color of each of the copies that you've made. No, you can change it according to your preference. Okay, so we will go first with the first one. So I'm gonna change the color of this one into white. And then this one, I'm gonna change this one into yellow. The other one into red. Okay, red one. Then the last one, purple. Okay. Then go to object menu and then click on blend and then click make. Okay. Then go to object again, then go to blend again, then select blend options. Make sure that your specified steps here is 60, or you may adjust it on your own until you are satisfied. Then click OK. Okay, so that's it. You now have your 3D isometric text, but we're not done yet. We are going to click again the object and then adjust it, no? Okay. Click the object, go to effect, and then click stylize. Click outer glow. Then select the glow that you want. Let's say I want a blue outer glow. Then click OK. Then you can adjust the opacity. For me, I have here 80% opacity. So you can also adjust the blur. So for me, it's 6 point, and then press OK. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so we're done. It's very easy. If you have suggestions or comments about this video, or if you want me to make another video, please make a request by typing it on the comment section below.